Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 714 I Street, Unit A in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in West Petaluma, a few blocks from Wickersham Park, McNair School, and close to downtown Petaluma. So you come in, and to your left is the kitchen. This has been completely updated. All new appliances, cabinets, floors, paint throughout, a big farm sink. New appliances, perfect area for your table. You can step down into the living room. Really nice area here to the backyard, deck, and area. This unit has a 1-car garage. You see it over there to your left, and it would be the garage on the right. There are washer and dryer hookups through these doors and additional storage. Stops, you can see really a tranquil setting. We have a half bath downstairs. And we'll go ahead and go upstairs. See the 2 bedrooms and bath. Again, all new luxury plank vinyl flooring. And we have a full bathroom here and a shower, an updated shower here. This bedroom faces the back of the home. And this is the larger of the 2 bedrooms. And it does have a really nice size closet. Just really a nice size. So again, this is 714 I Street, Unit A in Petaluma. Thank you for watching.